So we're at CES 2020 and this is the Lenovo Ideapad Duet Chromebook. Why is it called Duet? Well, it's a detachable Chromebook. It has a 10-inch display. It's super bright, actually, when I look at it. It's also pretty colorful, especially for the price. The keyboard is a little small, it's a little cramped, but it is actually decently clicky. The touchpad isn't, you know, it's small, so it's 10 inches. You have to bear that in mind, but the keyboard is detachable, and also it has a nice little fabric backing with a kickstand, of course, and it also detaches from the back if you need to. It's very magnetic. It stays on in there nice and good. It has a 2-megapixel front camera and an 8-megapixel rear camera. So the Ideapad Duet Chromebook is actually going to have up to 10 hours battery life, which is pretty nice for a tablet that is only $279. So that's going to be the starting price, and it's going to come sometime in May 2020. It has a MediaTek processor. You'll get up to 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of eMMC storage. For more laptops, tablets, and everything else at CES 2020, stay tuned to Laptop Mag. I'm Rami Tabari.